In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a PDF on Google Sites. First, open your browser and head to Google Sites signed into the account where your site lives. On the landing page, find Recent to quickly reopen a project. If you don't see it there, switch to the Sites view to browse all sites and select the one you want to edit. Once your site opens in the editor, go to the right sidebar and choose Insert. This is where you add content to a page. Then click Drive. Sites can embed files directly from Google Drive, which keeps your PDF in sync if the document changes. Before you proceed, make sure your cursor is in the section where you want the PDF to appear so it drops into the right spot. The Drive Picker appears. Browse to the folder with your PDF or use the search bar if you have many files. When you find it, click the PDF to select it, then click Insert. Sites places a PDF viewer on your page showing the first page with built-in controls to scroll and zoom and a button to open in a new tab. Large PDFs may take a moment to render in the preview, so give it a second to load. Before you finalize the layout, check Sharing. Click Share on the embedded item to review visibility. For most public or widely shared sites, set the file in Drive to Anyone with the link Viewer. This ensures visitors can see the PDF without sign-in errors. If your site is internal, keep it restricted to your organization. When in doubt, open the file in a separate tab to confirm the sharing setting matches the audience of your site. With access confirmed, adjust size and placement. Click the PDF on the canvas and drag the blue handles to make it readable without excessive scrolling. You can center it, stretch it to page width, or align it with nearby content for a clean layout. Portrait documents usually benefit from a taller frame. Landscape pages often need more width. Drag the embed to reposition it within the section. The blue guidelines help you snap to the site's grid. Use section layout options to keep spacing consistent with any headings or text around it. If the document has small text, make the viewer larger so visitors don't have to zoom as much. That's it. You've embedded your PDF from Drive into Google Sites, ensured it's shareable, and sized it for a polished, accessible result.